If you are wondering if we have AI features available on the Xiaomi 15T Pro, then the answer is yes, we do. And in order to find most of them, if not all of them, we can go to settings, and then in here we have Xiaomi Hyper AI with the list of these tools. At first we can find some Google AI tools which are available on pretty much every Android nowadays, every of the newest ones of course. So we can find, for example, the Google Gemini, but also we have like circled search, to name a few things. And besides that, we have more Xiaomi specific AI things and tools, like the AI writing over here, which provides some tools such as expanding, polishing, proofreading, and summarizing, and so on and so forth. There's also the dynamic wallpapers, which provides some little animations to wallpapers, and which we can generate for our photos, I believe, and images in general. There is also the creativity assistant, where we have the AI image enhancement, AI image expansion, AI erase pro, so the magic eraser, and AI film. Besides that, we have the speech recognition, which is available in the voice recorder, where we can find transcription. The recorder can also distinguish speakers. It can create, it can summarize the transcription. It can also be used to translate the recording, and also we can see individual speakers' content. We have the translate conversation option, so we can use the face-to-face interpreter. That can be quite useful in real-life scenarios where we, for example, are abroad and we meet someone who doesn't speak our language, of course, so we can use the translator in order to do so. And as you can see, we also have some additional settings in here, and that can be quite useful. And if you press start, then you actually go to this AI translator. There's also the AI interpreter, which is used for calls. And once you have the call menu, once you are on an ongoing call, you can reveal the sidebar, which contains the interpreter, and AI subtitles that allows you to generate subtitles quite easily for certain apps. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.